It's learning time! Today we're learning about number 4. Here is number 4. Can you say the number with me? 4. Let's say it one more time. 4. Well done. Now count with me to make the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 blocks. Let's see the other ways that number 4 can be represented. We have 4 fingers. 4 on a 5 frame. 4 on a 10 frame. Here is 4 on a die. Here is 4 on a number line. We have 4 on a domino. Here is 4 on a unicorn. We have 4 in word. Great job identifying number 4 in different ways. Now let's see how to write the number 4. Start from the point, take it down to make a slant, a dash in front, take it back to the top, and a stroke in the middle. So to write number 4, you need a slant all the way down, a dash in front, and a stroke in the middle. Now, can you identify number 4 in this bedroom? We have number 4 on the bed. There's another number 4 on the wall. And number 4 on the rug. Well done. Keep practicing to identify number 4 in different ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.